One of the things that I've always struggled with is my weight, and now that I'm well into my 50s, it's even harder. Exercise is great. It really comes down to my diet in terms of keeping at a healthy weight. One of the foods that I've started growing a lot more of and using in my diet is cauliflower. Cauliflower is great in terms of a low carb substitute for starchy foods like potatoes. So you can actually say halve a potato mash, have half of it or more of cauliflower and just a little bit of starch in there, or replace it with a swede, add a little bit of flavouring, and there's really no difference. It's a lot healthier for you. Obviously you're getting your vegetables, and it doesn't have the same carbohydrate value that a full plate of potatoes would. Cauliflower rice is another substitute that we've made. I haven't actually had grain rice for at least a few years now, I would imagine. It's not hard to make, and in fact I've left a couple of recipes at the bottom of the post. So this is what a cauliflower looks like as it's starting to form. You can see the little bundle in the middle there. And here we have a small head, so it's not quite ready to pick yet. It'll still get a little bit bigger, but what I do need to do is just stop it from getting sunburn. So I'll just going to break one of the inner leaves and fold that over. Now some people will actually gather all the leaves together and tie them up, but so long as you don't actually break it right in half, it will be fine. And I've just noticed a little pest in here as well. Yeah, slugs and snails love cauliflower. So see you later, buddy.